Is it the right time to make a move on the SPY ETF? This video delves deep into the SPY ETF. Our initial report was released on our website on Wednesday, March 13, 2024, and now we're bringing you an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and enable notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead of the curve and be informed of any critical updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Access AI capabilities for free price predictions and in-depth analysis on any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember, this video serves for informational purposes exclusively and should not be taken as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate with a score of 2.81. Let's explore how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have seen a significant gain of 19.8% since SPY was first recommended as a buy candidate 90 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 0.22% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently positioned in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. A reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $517.61 would signal a more robust rate of ascent. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 10.68% change expected over this period, with potential returns ranging from 8.27% to 11.03%. On a 12-month scale, the trend suggests a 21.71% change over the next year, with potential returns between 4.94% and 21.99%. This equates to a price range of $541.46 to $629.44 at the end of the 12-month period. Our latest update on SPY reveals a weaker technical forecast, with the ETF being downgraded to a buy candidate. The SPY ETF price dropped by -0.157% on the last trading day, moving from $516.78 to $515.97. Throughout the day, it fluctuated by 0.544% from a low of $514.49 to a high of $517.29. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 1.92% gain, with trading volume falling by -24 million shares on the last day, totaling 49 million shares exchanged worth approximately $25.07 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $518.22, while the lowest was $383.71. Currently, the price sits at 0.43% below the 52-week high at $2.25, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Signals for SPY. The SPY ETF shows positive buy signals from short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. A buy signal is also present from the relation between these averages, with the short-term average above the long-term average. Support levels are at $512.50 and $501.07, with sell signals if breached. Some negative signals exist, impacting short-term prospects. A recent sell signal from a pivot top suggests a potential further decline. Additionally, a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is in effect. Volume reduction along with price decrease reduces overall risk. A golden star signal on March 27, 2023, in the long-term chart suggests potential long-lasting gains. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 41 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 85 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 74 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. Looking at the downside, the ETF has support levels at $482.91 and $472, just below today's level. When an ETF tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next level. In this case, SPY has support at $482.91 and then at $472 and $469.33. SPY usually has controlled movements with good liquidity, making the risk relatively low. In the last day, the ETF moved $2.80 between its high and low, or 0.544%. Over the last week, SPY has had a daily average volatility of 1.01%. Now, let's delve into potential day trading levels for SPY. In an upward trend, the initial resistance level for SPY stands at $516.78. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For existing shareholders, this level could present an opportunity for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, SPY encounters its primary support level at $482.91. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $496.37, representing a decrease of 3.8%. This ETF demonstrates low daily movements, translating to lower risk. Additionally, a sell signal from a pivot top was identified just 1 day ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, there seems to be a buying opportunity for the SPY ETF. However, some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis have caused us to adjust our rating from a strong buy to a buy candidate. Our analysis indicates that the current price may be overvalued, considering the volatility in recent market movements. Looking ahead to trading on Thursday, March 14th, we anticipate the SPY ETF to open lower at $0.0533 and begin trading at $515.92. It's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment actions. Here's our current perspective on the stock. Share your thoughts. Do you agree or disagree? Let us know your target for the ETF in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.